Hello learners, how are you doing all? I guess all of you are doing well as usual. This is Kaisar here. Hopefully you all know me. So guys, you know it very well that I always upload my videos time to time. So today I am here to share something with all of you. Before I go to further discussion, I would like to thank all of you for subscribing to my channel as well as watching my videos. It gives me motivation. It motivates me to make so many videos for all of you, as well as I should share my learning experience with all of you. How did I learn English? So let's get started. So first of all, I have to ask something with all of you. When you speak in English language, does your mind go blank? When you speak in English language, do you get nervous? When you speak in English language, do you feel shy in front of people? If yes, this lesson is for you. Why does it happen to all of us? So first of all, I'm gonna share something with all of you that when you speak in your native language, does it happen to you? Not at all. So you need to understand when you speak in your native language, you don't feel nervous. Your mind doesn't go blank. You don't feel shy in front of people. And then what happens when you speak in English language? Why does your mind go blank? Our mind doesn't go blank. Why does it happen to all of us? Let me share with all of you. There are few reasons we need to focus on. Why does it happen? First, due to lack of knowledge, due to lack of practice, due to lack of environment. So guys, for example, if you want to speak something, you do not have information regarding that, it is obvious your mind will go blank. So first of all, you need to develop your knowledge. Second thing, due to lack of practice. So you know it very well that we have been told since childhood English can be learned within 3 months, because of which we only count the time. We don't pay attention on practice. We do not practice. We practice 15 minutes a day, 1 hour a day. So no language has time limit, or no language has a parameter how long do we need to practice in a day. Last but not the least, due to lack of environment. We always have this disclaimer that nobody speaks in English language. Why will I be able to speak in English language? So because of my environment, I am not able to speak in English language. So guys, just think of it, the environment where you have been living since childhood, it is not going to be changed. If English is necessary for you, so you need to change. So guys, first let me give you an example. Whenever we feel hungry, do we look for water or food? Obviously food. Or whenever we feel thirsty, do we look for food or water? Obviously water. So that is why you need to understand English is necessary for you or not. If it is necessary, so you should go further. First of all, you have to develop your knowledge. You have to keep practicing whenever you have free time. You have to change environment around you. You don't need to change whole environment. That's what I wanted to share with all of you. If you like my video, hit the like button as well as subscribe to my channel. One thing that I want to share, very soon I am going to upload my grammar sessions videos one by one. I hope you will enjoy, because I have made English quite easier. Definitely you are gonna understand each of my lessons. Bye for now. Bye bye. Keep learning, keep growing.